Guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company RPGSHOW, and today I'm going to be showcasing and installing a wig straight out of the box. Now in the box it does come with this wig cap. They also included this little kit that has some scissors, a spoolie, some tweezers, and a razor. Okay. And it also does include this elastic band. This unit that I will be installing today is the soft wavy Auburn brown lace front wig. This one is in the length 16 inches and it is 200% in density. Now this unit does come with your two combs on the side. It also comes with a comb in the back, your adjustable straps, and it also has an area for the removable elastic band. This is a cap size 1. I do have a small head. I feel like their caps fit me really good. All I did was tighten up the straps in the back. I didn't even put on the removable elastic band because I didn't feel like it was needed. But look at the front of this hairline, y'all. It does come with this pre-plucked hairline, and it also comes with bleach knots. Now they do have an option on the website if you want to get light bleach, or if you want to get deep bleach, if you want to get the pre-plucked hairline, or if you want to get a deep pre-plucked hairline. For those extra options, it is going to cost you a bit more. I take a little bit of wax and go around the hairline. I did notice a little bit of flyaways, so I want them out of the way. I'm going to use my hot comb to press everything back. I'm not going to be heavy with the wax because I do not want the front of this hairline to come off oily like this. And of course, you'll see at the end, it's not going to look like that. You can also use some mousse, and I feel like that would be a bit better without adding those oils. And then I'm going to elongate this parting space. This is a 13 by 6. Now on the website, they also offer a 13 by 4. You already know I'm gonna go with the 13 by 6 because I like that extra parting space. So you don't have to keep this parted in the middle. You definitely can part this on the side. It's tinted transparent lace, so it's going to blend in well. As you can see, I don't have anything on the lace yet. I am going to be rocking this glueless, so I'm going to pull out some of those hairs on the side and use some bobby pins for extra security. And then I'm going to be using this olive oil mousse, and I'm going to place that at the front of the hairline so I can give the melted illusion without having to use any adhesive. Elastic band on so everything can dry down and marinate in, and then I'm just going to comb out the hair and get it ready for styling. And this hair feels really good, y'all. This is a silky texture. This is the only option on the website, and I'm not mad at it because I just feel like it looks better this way. Now I was expecting more of a wave, and you can see that it was like lightly curled at the bottom, but because the title says like waves, I just expected some. So I am going to go in with my flat iron. And at first I was just going to kind of straighten this out and add a light bump. And the more I played with it, I was like, I think I want to add a tighter bump. Y'all, I was all over the place with this styling because I was just unsure how I wanted to do it. So you're going to see me style this and add like a little curl on this side. But as I move to the other side, I end up adding a tighter curl. So I had to go back and replay around with the hair. I did decide on how I wanted the curl pattern to be. I just went back on the other side and just recurled it back. It didn't take me long to curl this hair at all. I didn't take like small sections. I wasn't super detailed. I was really focused on my curls being at the ends. And then I'm going to go off camera, do my makeup, and then I'm going to remove that elastic band. And y'all, look how nice that looks for this to be glueless. It just melted into my skin with no issues. Now I did have to go in back with that wax because of the way the elastic band was sitting. I had to kind of fix it up. I'm also going to place some powder into the parting space area just to kind of make it look more scalp like, and then use my hot comb to kind of play around and press everything back. After I'm happy with the way the front looks, now I'm going to take a little bit of my Sleek and Shine serum, and then I'm just going to begin to fluff out these curls. And I wasn't heavy with the serum because I didn't feel like it needed to be a lot. There was a little bit of frizziness going on, but not too much. I was more concerned with the flyaways at the top of the unit. You probably can't really see them on camera, but they were definitely there. I took a little bit of my olive oil holding spray and sprayed it at the top, and then used my hot comb to kind of go back over it so they could stay down, because I didn't want to put no wax up there. But I feel like it looks good now. But this is the final look, y'all. It did not take me long to get these curls together. I just love how everything blended in. It looks super natural. You get this unit in a longer length, but I actually love the length that I have because I feel like it's just more for every day. But guys, make sure you stay tuned after this so you can hear my final thoughts on this wig. Absolutely love this wig, y'all. It is definitely going into my collection. The color, the lace is definitely on point. It's on point. They did a really good job with bleaching the knots. Like, I'm not mad at this at all. I wasn't too sure how I was gonna feel about the 16 inches because usually when it comes to the fall time, I don't mind going a little bit longer, but I think the 16 inches is perfect. I did decide to add a few little curls in. Now, initially I was going to do just some loose curls, but then I ended up curling this side tighter. So I was like, let me go back and recurl this side. But I think even once it's straightened out, it is going to be a great everyday wig. It's stated to be 200% in density, but I don't feel like it's heavy at all. You guys know I love me some yaki texture, and even though yaki is cool, I do not mind a silky texture wig if it is not going to be too much. With this unit, I'm not getting a lot of frizziness going on. A little bit of flyaways. I did have to go at the top and spray some of this olive oil spray and then use my hot comb to press it down. But I added a little bit of serum and I feel like it still looks good. I stopped this unit straight out of the package, so I didn't have to go in and do any washing or anything. And once I wash it and everything, I will keep you guys updated. But y'all, I don't have any cons about this besides this is a little bit on the pricey side. When it comes to RPGSHOW wigs and their lace, I just feel like they do such a good job for me not to have to go in with any powder or anything in the front of the hairline. I just laid this down with some mousse, put some bobby pins on the side, and the fit on this is good because y'all know I have a small head and I'm always complaining about wigs being too big. But when it comes to this company, I don't have those issues. You know what you guys think about this color? It's definitely giving fall and winter vibes. It's giving a little bit of luxury. I love it. If you are feeling this wig and I happen to have a coupon, I'm gonna make sure to leave that down below along with all the details about the wig. Guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.